Oh no! Oh, honey. Blocks. You know what Daddy would say? It needs a stronger base. It needs a wider base. That's what Daddy always says. Good job! How do you do this yourself? You're amazing. Yes, you're very good too, Jeb. Jebby's getting a bath today. Yeah, you gonna help me? You gotta clip his nails and give him a bath. It's gonna be fun. A bath. A Jebby bath. So fun. You're such a good girl, Quinn. You work with your blocks all by yourself. You take them out yourself and you put them away yourself. You're amazing. Good job, Quinn. Look at that stack you made. Wow. Look at that. You made that?
Yeah.
Wow, Quinny, I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
What a stack. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. You made that?
Yeah.
That's amazing. It's a stack of blocks. Blocks. You're wonderful.
Yeah.
Is that a tower for Fro?
Yeah.
Wow. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
It's a stack. You keep building? Wow. You're so good at that. Blocks. I love having your blocks out all the time. You just go in there and get them yourself. It's amazing. Yeah.